You've drank something tonight, and you're not 21, so you have to blow a .000, or you're considered intoxicated to be behind the wheel.
I'm cooked, no.
On May 22nd, 2025, an officer in Tampa Beach, Florida, stopped a vehicle for failure to maintain a lane. The driver was under 21, had open alcohol in plain view, denied drinking, refused both field sobriety tests and the breath test, then changed her mind. She had a prior DUI.
Good afternoon, Officer Dakota, Tampa Beach Police Department. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing phenomenal. Is there a reason you can't maintain your lane? You crossed over the solid white and the solid yellow.
I'm sorry.
Multiple times. Do you have a driver's license, registration, proof of insurance?
Yes, sir.
70 cents. Go for it. Let me get a second unit. All right. Can I have your driver's license as well, sir?
Yes, sir.
You in the back, same thing.
Sure.
You are?
Okay. All right, everyone step out of the vehicle for me, please. We're going to start with the driver first. Direct my vehicle there for me. To the front of my vehicle for me. To the front of my vehicle. Alright, so no one in the vehicle is above the age of 21. There's also push in plain view. You also tried to hide the alcohol, which you could go to jail for, so I never recommend you doing that in the future again. You, ma'am, are going to step over here with me. Casey, you mind killing my overheads and my flashers, please? Alright, ma'am, you got anything to drink tonight? Not one beer, nothing along that line? Alright, so with your driving, you were unable to maintain your lane. You reek of alcohol. Right,
I don't reek of alcohol. That's
we're gonna be conducting some field sobriety exercises. Are you willing to conduct exercises? Yes or no?
Do I have to?
But you can say no.
No.
Okay. All right. So you're refusing to conduct field sobriety exercises, correct? Okay. All right. You say you haven't had anything to drink tonight?
No, sir. I have not.
Are you willing to submit to a sample of your breath? No, you're not? Okay. All right, turn your face that way for me, please. Place your hands behind your back for me. Can someone grab the refusal form for me out of the back of my car so I can read it to her? How old are you, ma'am? 17? 18. 18, okay. Okay. Alright. Well, my partner's gonna grab something that I'm gonna read for you, okay?
Am I going to jail?
I'm gonna read something to you, okay?
Yes, sir, but am I going to jail?
Yes, you are. You have red glassy eyes, your pupils are extremely dilated with consumption of alcohol. You're saying you don't, but you due to my experience, you've drank something tonight. And you're not 21, so you have to blow a .000, or you're considered intoxicated to be behind the wheel. So I'm not going to play the game of, no, I haven't anything to. I'm not going to play that. So I'm going to read you something, and then you can decide what you want to do from there, okay? Because I've been behind you for a long time, watching you drive. You guys might want to start calling a ride home.
Wait, what's
After
gonna...
I'm gonna tow it.
Tow it to where?
Daytona Record Services.
Do you know how long I'm gonna be in jail
You can be
for?
bonded out in the morning. You're gonna have a bond. All right.
Can I get my boyfriend?
Hey Matt, can you inventory the vehicle before they go into it? Yeah, and then obviously take photos of all the open containers and the stuff in the back and shit like that. Hey Casey, if you want to stand with her, I'll just grab it. I got it in my folder.
Wait, so I'm going to jail?
Yes. Yes.
If you want to just use this, you can get the paper later.
Well, no, that way when I sign it, I read the exact affidavit that's going to be signed. That's
Okay,
to her.
that works.
If you just hold on to her for a second, I'll grab the refusal form.
Do they have your parents' number or anything like that? No. Is that how you want to be notified, or? Because you're gonna have a bond.
I just think it's dumb because I told him no, he can't search my vehicle and he put handcuffs behind my back, but I didn't even drink tonight.
Okay.
But they drank, but I did not.
I don't know. I'm not making the arrest for this.
Can I put my shoes on?
Yeah. Where they at?
In the front seat.
Hey, Matt. Matt, can you just grab her shoes real quick? Yeah.
I'm lucky if I'm inside, it's the right one.
Hey, just stay with her.
Well, I'm going to jail, so it doesn't matter. Literally, I'm going to jail. That's what he said. My dad's gonna...
Alright. I am now requesting that you submit to a lawful test of your breath for the purpose of determining alcohol content. Will you take the test, yes or no?
Do I have to?
If you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, your driving privileges will be suspended for a period of 1 year for first refusal, or 18 months for the driving privileges has been previously suspended for refusing to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood. Additionally, if you refuse to take the test I have requested of you, and if your driving privileges have been previously suspended for a refusal to submit to a lawful test of your breath, urine, or blood, you will be committing a misdemeanor in addition to any penalties which can be implied by law. Refusal to submit to the test I have requested of you is admissible into evidence in a criminal proceeding. Do you still refuse to submit to the test? No, so you're going to provide a sample of your breath. Okay, thank you. She's going to search you before I put you in my vehicle.
Charlie 70, Charlie 66. Someone needs you for a PTO paper.
I'm gonna search real quick, okay? Just turn around, face the car. Stay just like that. Spread your feet apart.
What time do you use roll in or
I have a pad on.
Okay.
Hang on, boss man, don't go back to work.
Can you call my dad for me? Put him on the phone.
Okay, I have to call her dad real quick. Alright. Okay, I'm about to roll in. Please, just come. Roll in. What's his number? 1 second.
I'm cooked no.
Just stay over there and call.
Yes, sir.
Can you hand the phone over here?
No, stay over there.
Like right there is
They
good.
can talk to him.
No, hold it right there.
Alright, so last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go like this. I'm gonna shake this out, okay?
Call him again.
Siri, here real quick.
Wait, can I please talk to
1
my
minute,
dad?
sit down. We're gonna, if he answers the phone, yes. Put your feet up inside. There's a step right here that'll help you.
Ow. Ow, my wrist.
When you get to the police department, they'll go in the front. You can use the step if you need it. Call because he'll probably answer. He'll probably answer his daughter's phone call.
Can you open my phone?
What's your passcode?
Give,
Not yet.
open it.
Jump in real quick.
Alright.
Go to call. Go to call.
She can call her dad after.
Yeah.
She can call her dad after. She doesn't make phone calls in my custody.
Alright. Put your feet inside.
Can I give my boyfriend a hug?
No. Put your feet inside.
Hey, I'm sorry.
Have you ever been arrested for DUI in the past? Huh? Okay. 706 copy transport. Then I'll be off the radio for BTO. I'm talking to my dispatcher.
Out in the country, past the city limit sign, where there's a honky tonk near the county line.
Huh?
Is this dispatcher place?
No, this is our Horton facility. Dispatcher's out by the jail. Slide out for me. Wait right here.
The open alcohol visible inside the vehicle required no search warrant. Under Horton v. California, 1990, officers may seize evidence without a warrant. When they are lawfully present, the evidence is in plain view, and its incriminating nature is immediately apparent. All three conditions were met. From the moment officers made contact, field sobriety tests are voluntary in Florida. Refusing them does not eliminate probable cause. When independent observations exist, lane violations, odor of alcohol, red glossy eyes, and dilated pupils are each admissible indicators of impairment that survive any FST refusal. The arrest may proceed on those observations alone. Florida Statute 322.2616. The Zero Tolerance Law sets the underage DUI threshold at 0.02%, not 0.08. A single drink can trigger it. For practical purposes, underage drivers must have zero alcohol in their system to drive legally in Florida. Florida Statute 316.1932, Implied Consent, requires drivers to submit to breath testing upon a lawful DUI arrest. Before documenting a refusal, officers must read the statutory warning verbatim. The officer insisted on reading the exact affidavit language, the procedurally correct approach. After hearing the implied consent warning, including that the refusal is admissible as evidence in a criminal proceeding, the subject reversed her refusal and consented. Under South Dakota v. Neville, 1983, a refusal remains admissible regardless. Her decision to consent was legally and practically sound. A prior DUI was confirmed during transport. Under Florida Statute 316.193, subsection 6, this is a second offense, DUI, carrying mandatory minimum 10 days imprisonment a 1-year ignition interlock, and enhanced fines. The stop produced far greater consequences than the subject understood at the time. The vehicle inventory ordered before towing is authorized under South Dakota v. Opperman, 1976, and Colorado v. Bertine, 1987. Warrantless inventory searches of impounded vehicles are constitutionally permissible when conducted under standardized procedures. No consent from the subject is required. The officer receives an A-, clean probable cause chain throughout. Implied consent read verbatim from the official form. Inventory search correctly ordered, before tow. Zero tolerance standard clearly explained on camera. Deduction. The subject's misconception that she could refuse a vehicle inventory search was not corrected on camera. The subject receives a C+. No resistance, no aggression, and she made the correct call on the breath test after hearing the consequences. Deduction. Prior DUI on record, alcohol concealment attempt documented on camera, and denial of drinking, directly contradicted by officer observations. 3 lessons. First, under 21 in Florida means 0.02%. 1 drink can be a DUI. Second, refusing a breath test does not prevent arrest. The refusal itself becomes admissible evidence. Third, a prior DUI follows you. A second offense carries mandatory jail time, regardless of how minor the new incident appears. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.